Huh? We're back. We are back. Guess who's back? Back again. This is my weekly crypto market recap. So what has been happening lately in the crypto? What is the next move? Where can you do it? Where can you accumulate? So let's go all over it, right? We're still in the reaccumulation phase, post having reaccumulation phase. We still have a couple days or a couple of weeks to until he finishes, right? But let's get over to it, right? So what happened recently? We fucked out of this support area. They came back down. Was playing around with this support, and yeah, eventually just retested that support, came right back down. Like, I don't know. I don't call it support in Reddit. I just call it levels, right? I don't give a fuck what this is. And he just retested that one, retested that level, came back lower, right? Prior to touch this. So this is what we could do right now. At the moment, it's the best time. Right here, it's the best time to accumulate your coins. Every coin is down 50 to 60 to 80, 100% down. Accumulate. It's the best time to accumulate right now. So get your money ready. Accumulate because we're currently in a weekly time frame, right? So accumulation right here will be the best thing for you to do, right? And prior to this is that, right? So what's the next move for Bitcoin? I feel like for the next 2 to 3 the next 2 weeks, I feel like the next 2 weeks we should just accumulate right over here. Accumulate. Before after that, make a huge move like this. You see how this accumulated right here, and after that, you break move up. I'm feeling the same thing because accumulation page is right here. You see how you touch it right here? It touches the accumulation page, right? Right when you touch it, a couple days later, boom. They do like this accumulation page, boom. Let's go days later, boom. Get patch here, a little bit back up. You know what I'm saying? That's what we could do on Bitcoin. But what can we do on ETH? I feel like right here is basically, I'm still thinking this spot right here is still the key point to go. This spot is still the key point to go to. I feel like it should definitely go here before pretending to go up. So touch this, right, and go back up higher to like play around with this range. So like around right here, constantly just communicate on this until a big move happens to the upside, right? But yeah, that's that. And what's next for Total 3? I feel like Total 3. Oh shit, I forgot to delete this. What's next for Total 3? I feel like the next thing for Total 3 is basically I feel like it should be, okay, let me see. We're still in a support area, which is still respecting the support area right now currently. So what we could do is basically touch the support and accumulate the support, eventually just make a big move up, right? And yeah, go to this this support area, this resistance area right over here, possibly play around with it, come back down, go back down, and eventually make another support area, then go back higher, break resistance and retest this zone and go back up higher, right? We could do that's what we could do for Total 3, right? So now let's go over our bags that we have currently. And this bag is down immensely a lot. This is no longer valid. So yeah, so we're down like, I think 80%. Yeah, we're down like almost 80%, right? It's a bad time to accumulate. I've been accumulating lately on this. I've been accumulating. So what's the next move for my Bitcoin? For my coin I'm investing in the monthly time frame, we are now monthly order block right here. So you can keep in mind that we're not monthly order block, right? Outside of monthly over, we have our monthly fair value gap, right? What we could do is just accumulate, right? Accumulate right here, accumulate until the all season happens. When all season happens, just do a huge move right back up, right? So we could do, right? But fast forward to the next one. Oops. So fast forward to my other coin I'm calling. This coin is really holding it hard, which is good. What's next for this move? Oh, we're down a lot as well. So what I feel like the next move for this is just to come back down, to come just down, accumulate right here, accumulation pace, because this was a huge huge order block is. Eventually just make a huge move back up, break this order block. There's an order block right here, break it, retest this, retest something over here. There's a support area somewhere like that, go up higher, make it new highs, right? That's what we could do for, that's what we could do for Akite, right? So what could we do for the dominance, where the alt season will start? So the dominance of alt season is still coming near, because you can see it broke the trend line, I just paying a line. What did I say in my last video? That we definitely needed a retest of this, and now we just got a retest of it, right? And you could see that, you see how you're pushing up higher. As I said, retest this zone, retest the support at least, then go up higher, right? So the next move should be eventually, you know, around right here, you know, the support area, this the resistance area. Touch it, you know, play around with it, you know, eventually just make a huge move up, right back up, and gain dominance over Bitcoin. And once Ethereum gets a dominance over Bitcoin, and gonna alternate should definitely be starting soon, right? Once he gains dominance over Bitcoin, which is should be definitely happening. But yeah, that's that. And Solana looks like it's shitting to his bed as well. So what I feel for Solana right now, as Bitcoin's on a huge accumulation pace, right? It's good to accumulate Solana, accumulate. Eventually, a big move should happen. Like a big move like this should happen. Like this should happen. Like this should happen. You know, big moves will happen because Solana is a top 3 for this bull run, and big moves will definitely happen. And make sure you guys don't make dumb decisions. Buy at the right time. Don't buy at the wrong time. And it's the best time to buy right now because every coin in the market is down like it's shitting to its bed. Thank you for watching. Accumulate. All right, chat. You like my sheet? I'm gonna post a video, chat. If you guys need any help with anything, I'm here to help y'all, man. If you guys need help with anything, let me know. Let me know. Let me know. If you guys need help with anything, let me know. 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 I'm just playing. All right, chat. All right. Let me get my Discord. Make sure you join my Discord, babies. Baby Goella. Baby Goella. Sorry. Damn, boy. All right, chat. So what I'm doing now is I'm just gonna shit to bed. Okay, so chat, if you guys need help with anything in the market, I got y'all. Damn, I hate this shit. Leave me alone. Just give me my money. 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 Give me my money. Bro, chat is pissing me off now, chat, for real. Yeah, this is my 6. Alright, so I posted my video I wanted to post. Crypto. give me more money. Chat, just give me more money. Just give me more money. Chat, we're gonna go over every trade we took this trade. So we're gonna go every trade. Chat, if you guys need help with anything, let me know, man. If you guys need help with anything, man, let me know. Let me know. Let me know if you guys need help with anything, man. Put it down, man. Put it down. Put it down. Oh, I'm gonna listen to a podcast, man. Fuck it. Fuck you guys. Puta de madre. Putas. Slavery. I love slaves. What? No, I just said I love black people. I meant. My bad. I mean, I used to be a slave too, you know what I'm saying? In my country, I used to be a slave. I was adopted. So, I should not have said that. Yeah, it's cool. Sad. Damn. Some good shit right there. So I'm gonna go over every trade. No. Alright, let's go over it. So for Sunday, this trade was basically okay, so I entered over there. I basically entered the auto block, you know, test the auto block, test the right gap, test the recent, test the, you know what I'm saying, test that low as well. But once you test that low, chat, basically I was looking for what? I was looking for a break to the upside, boom, so I started right below the low. Now break even spot right here, I went to this right, went to the break even spot, enter, so I start right below this, break even already. Eventually the market just goes up, here's my take profit, right? Okay. On Monday, basically, boom, the market will make it mid a water block, just a water block, breaks us up, you know, care the Fibonacci gap, that's a Fibonacci gap, that's right below that, you know, and the Fibonacci gap, you know, TP1 right there. Yeah, TP or TP. So other than that, we had another trader over here. You know, so the liquidity, you know, broke, you know, give us an auto block, just auto block, looking for a breakout structure. Boom. Break even spot right here. Boom. Test right below this. Boom. Right when it broke even, we test like this. Boom. TP hit. Okay, we only went for one TP because why? The market ended below this. Okay. This trade was basically out of this, right? So the reason I entered this trade, boom, you know, give us an auto block, no, there's an auto block, give us a right gap, there's a right gap, right below this, you know, entered out of the breakup structure, boom, you know, kick it back up, get some this auto block. Do you only trade gold? Yes, brother. Hey, ADZ, I'm gonna keep one thing in a buck, right? You know what I'm saying, when you guys do trade, right? When you guys do back test, right? Make sure you guys only back test one pair. So let's just say, I don't know, no matter what pair you trade, right? Whatever pair you trade, when you back test, make sure you guys never back test another pair. Only back test one pair. You know why? Because when you back test one pair and you trade that one pair, but if you, so let's just say, this makes sense to you guys. Look. You trade one pair, right? Let's just say you trade gold, right? As an example, right? Let's just say you trade gold. But when you backtest, you're like, yo, I backtested gold so many times that, yo, let me go to a different pair now. Let me backtest a different pair. That doesn't make sense though. You know why doesn't make sense? Because if you're trading gold why are you backtesting other pairs? You know what I'm saying? Although you backtested pair, although you backtested gold so many times, right? Now you know that yo, there's a pattern happening. You know, now you're so confident that your setup will work in this gold pair that you know what I'm saying. It wouldn't really make sense that you backtest other pairs, right? So that's why I always say that if you trade one pair, backtest one pair. Never backtest more than one pair. Although you backtest it every day, although you see the same pattern happen, although when you backtest, right? You backtest it every single day, you be like, you get bored of it, right? But guess what? That literally makes your mind even sharper than before, because like yo, you start sometimes, right? If you're really smart enough, right? You start coming to your head like, yo, this pattern is the same pattern as like a couple weeks ago. Oh, this might be a good move, right? Oh, this might be a bad move because this happened a couple weeks ago and how I lost that trade. One backtesting, right? You literally come in your mind. If you backtest it so much, right? You literally come to your mind, be like, yo, so I backtest, you know, this Tuesday looks like, you know, last week's Wednesday, you know, like that. You know what I'm saying? If you can see that, you can see how the market moves when you backtest it so much. You can literally see how the market, we call it, is for that day, and see the previous weeks or previous days, and in some days it might be the same. You know what I'm saying? Like Wednesday was the same as what do you call it, Wednesday. So this Wednesday, right, was the same day as last Thursday. You know what I'm saying? The same day. But that's what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? The hourly was against our bias the same day, right? The same pattern, but the market just moved a little different, right? The same way, right? But you know what I'm saying? The market moved a little different. So yeah. And yeah, this just a copy the last week's Thursday. I think it was Thursday. I don't know, June 4th, something like that. Oh, June 6th, something like that. Yeah, let's go over this trade. Okay, so this trade, we tested for value gap, took a picture, you know, broke the sharp right there, so it's right below the fair value gap. Why did I go for TP on this? Why did I go TP on this? Because that's an hourly support and resistance, right? 15-minute close below this, right? Boom. Flexing out of it. Broke pressure down. Once you broke pressure down, sell model to the downside. Okay. This right here would have been a sell model, so this right here would have been TP. The reason this would have been my real TP was because you could see chat.
Straightforward with you. I paid for this ad. Targeted you. You're an entrepreneur, business owner.
The reason I went this for the TP is because you could see, right, resistance zone, right? Prior to the resistance zone, what we have is basically what we have prior to the resistance zone is that we got a sell model right here. Broke pressure. No, this right here broke pressure down. Order block, right? Right when the order block got touched, you know, he touched it. You know, eventually touched it. He gave us a sell model. So the sell model the game here, it wasn't successful. Sell model wasn't successful, so he came back up and hit TP, right? Again, one more time before coming back down. Okay. And this day right here, there was no setup over there on this agent session. So on this trade, why did I take this trade? Oh, this trade was a clean buy pattern because red, green, that's a retest of the green, boom. We're into right here, starts below this. Take profit, one right here to reach the session high. Right when touched it, reflection out of it, boom, came back down. Okay. So I want to put my setup here because the setup is huge, right? Prior to that, I want to take profit here because market. So the reason I think this right here would have been a good take profit is one because of one thing. As you can see that the overall bias is bearish. You know, see how the overall bias is bearish. So this right here would have definitely pushed it down lower, right? So yeah, that would have been a smart move for me to do. And I did take this trade. I took it right here. I took a lot of that trade. Fucking, I middle played it because I wasn't paying attention. So there's the agent session. Agent zone, boom. This would have been, this right here would have been a break-even trade, right? This right here would have been a take profit trade because right with a boom, blasted out of. Boom, just up below this liquidity, right? So the liquidity, and so blah 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 that. You want TP2, I got smashed. This trade was basically auto block, Tesla auto block, broke pressure up, Tesla below this. This Tesla was so huge, but yeah. And I took another trade right over here. Boom, broke touch down over here, and he must support us. So this right here would have been a break-even trade. This one would be a break-even trade. This one would be a take profit trade. Okay. This trade, oh, that's our auto block. Right, price that's our auto block. What we got is, why did I put it like that? So that's our provide gap, right? Right to start provide gap. Give it a breakout structure. That's our regular liquidity and the move money went there. Big profit would have been right here, CP1, break even. CP last CP would have been right here, so yeah. Boom. So what I take this trade, basically broke structure down. You know, because we saw that all these highs, broke structure down. Breakup structure happened right here. Another big structure. The reason why did I take this other trade? Another big structure happened right here. Right here, break even stage, bro. TP smash. Alright, cool. That's to the other one. That's the fair gap. You know, so start below this other fair gap because it's a huge one and TP right there. Boom. Sell model right here. You know, so the liquidity. Broke pressure down, touch the order block, right? Breakup pressure. Just right above the liquidity line and get back down TP1, TP2. And that will be my break even spot. My break even would be right over here. Boom. This right here would be no setup because that's news. That right here. Clean buy model. As I said, chat. My buy model does work. Right? The reason I lost my buy model yesterday. Was it yesterday? The reason I lost my buy model yesterday, I did not lose that buy model. It's just that I did not break even fast. Right? So my break even spot with this would be right here. Boom. Yes, that's all right below here. Then I'm going TP. So fast with the next one is this. So about liquidity came back down, you know. Market just premium spot, so we're gonna buy premium, just came back down lower. You know, we'll broke pressure up, right? Came back down, pressure up right here, so let's have a look at this. Big profit one right here. We're going against the thing, we're going against the bias. Yeah, the market wants to move lower. So if the market wants to move lower, it needs like a lower retracement, which is over here. Yeah, so just go just go lower. Okay. So we test a huge auto block and we're looking for a moving up way. First we had a sell setup from here to downside. We had a sell setup from here. Boom, sell setup right here, sell setup right above this. Take profit one would be right here. Oh, do we take the trade? What do we take the trade? Just a fair gap, fill it in all the way. You know, once you fill it in all the way, give us a, you know, saying you didn't make sure, but give us a, you know, 5 minute sell. It's 5 minute sell model. Boom, test the auto block, breakup block. Boom, get back down lower. TP1, TP2, because we're going with the bias. Now we come back after accumulation or broke pressure up, but never give us the buy we need right here. We're gonna trust this because this is a real one right over here. If we get a buy model, came back, give us a 30 minute, 15 minute, and thing on a 30 minute order block, right? Test it. Protester up. Once you come here, protester down. We're looking for a protester right back up. Protester up. Test that thing. Test out right below this. Only take profit was right here, and the agent session we had another setup. Super liquidity. You know, protester up. You know, once you protester up, what happened? No, this is the buy model for me. You know, test that. Boom. Protester up. Test this. So my entry would have been right here. It sets out right below this zone. If it goes lower, you're gonna go lower, right? So fast forward to the next day, test our order block, went up higher. Right, there's no buy model over here, but right here, test our zone, boom, sets out below this. Take profit 1, take profit 2, got hit. This day would have been no setup. Market just shitty because they never give it a setup. This day, testing for buy gap. After testing the fair buy gap, we set a liquidity. For that, what we did was basically a market did not go against us, so that's a really bullish sign. So yeah, that's how I said. Tuesday just look like this. Thursday, Wednesday just look like this day, right over here. And yeah, in the 5-minute Novo broke structure down, give us a 5-minute entry, and give me an entry model. Sell stop should have been below the 18-minute, right? Would have been a good sell stop. Take profile, take with 2. That would have been a 5 RR. But I only think I only made 2 RR on this shit. That and agent session just an order block, right? Just an order block looking for a breakup structure or a buy bottle. Right, this one right here never happened because you know we went to broke structure down, never gave us a move right back out of it. So broke structure down, we're looking for another breakup structure happen. Right, never happened, but guess what? Give us a 5-minute order block, boom, touch that order block. So uptick, we call it entry right here. Out of the fair breakup structure, touch up below this and break even right here, take profit right here. So this one right here would have been, this was a break even, that's what a breaking buy model, right? Give it a chance for me to get out, which was right over here, boom. That was, you know, this was a break even. Okay, this trade was what? This trade would have been a loss, and I took another trade over here out of it, boom, auto block, test auto block, test out below this. Right, take profit right here. So 102. Okay, so on this other day, the reason I took the trade, this trade would have been a boom, set up below that. Enter right here. Right, enter out the auto block. Broke tester up, set up below this. Will this be a break even trade? This right here would have been a break even. I give it another entry right here, set up right here. And this one right here would have not been a break even right here, right? So you know, put this right here, and then eventually hit the profit. Boom, this one never hit. What's the entry there for Asian? This day I entered because that's the auto block broke structure. I never give the buy model, but that's a fair value gap, right? Now it's a breakup structure right here, south side below this. Take profit 1, take profit 2 right over there. Eventually you got hit next, you know, next day. Next way for fair value gap. This is the, you know, FOMC day. So we're looking for a little small retracement, which should be right here, because the trend is all overall bearish, right? So we're looking for a movement touch this, right? Because we don't want to make sense if it goes up like that, right? So the market wants to accumulate here, then eventually just go down lower, right? So my entry model with this was basically out of a buy model. What I'm looking for, that's our danger zone, right? Once that's our danger zone, what I'm looking for, you got on my danger zone. All I'm looking for is a retest of something, boom. Let's up with this 5-minute coverage with this right here. Eventually break even right here, you know. No long loss. I don't want to get it in or break up structure or buy. Empty trade, boom. Both take profit got smashed. Right, so now the next day on the what's call it? This day was basically what? Entry, boom, take profit right here. This right here, there's literally no break-even spot for me to take, so this eventually would have came back down, eventually we're back up to take profit, right? So this trade right here would have been a break-even trade because boom, now this trade, I actually lost this trade, by the way. I was kind of slow. I did not see this zone right here. This trade, I lost this trade, but it should have been a break-even trade, right? So entered right here, you know, respect the liquidity, tested for the fair value gap, break up structure, tested right below this, you know, boom, break-even stage right there before going back down. So once this happened, test the auto block, you know, once you test the auto block, test below this huge liquidity, take profit right here, break even stage right here, that means you take profit. Alright, so next day, test the fair value gap, I'm looking for the breakup structure happen, boom, test about this, and yeah, set the liquidity, and yeah, take profit right there. Break even zone would have been where? Not here because it's a weak zone. Not here because of the weak zone. Right here is a strong zone. Boom, TP right there. This right here, boom. You know, just the thing. Did they set up liquidity? Probably did support liquidity. I think so. I did, right? No, just the auto block. When you touch the auto block, what we're looking for is a breakup structure. Boom, happened. So perfect. I get touch the auto block. Boom, came back down. Take profit right here. Right. So this trade right here. That's our zone. We got an entry right here. Breakup structure. That's our provide gap. That's our zone, right? So below this, take profit one right here. Boom. We have another take profit right over here with it. Another big take profit right here. Break even, right? Break even stage would have been where? My break even right here. Right, break even right here. Boom. This trade I missed it. This trade right here. Next one, buy model. I just said the buy model still does work. So my buy model on this trade, the reason this one I would have probably manipulated it, but my sell stop should have been a little lower from here to all the way here. But this is, we see how small that sell stop is. So widen the sell stop, put it like below this other liquidity zone. I mean. Yeah, and here there was literally, you know, saying this right here, this buy model of the 15 minutes with us, but the 5 minutes against us. So this right here, the reason I lost this was because of fucking, I did not wait for a 5 minute break to the upside or a 5 minute conflict, so I lost this trade. So this trade would have been a loss. Okay. The reason I took the trade was, yeah, I did take the trade as well. So boom, eventually here I take profit. Breaking me stage, I would have literally had none. Right. So that's the auto block. So that's the auto block. So that's below this, right? And we don't take profit right here. So other one, boom, touch the auto block, touch the auto block, take a trade. This one will break even trade because what? All of the break even zone is all over here. The break even zone is all over there, but no scam outside just broke even because of news. But next time, I'll definitely promise you guys I won't break even like too early or too late. Right, I'll break even the time and I'll break even right when I hit the building block. So this one, other one was basically break construction something below this. Take profit, will take over to right there, right? Other one right here. I took this trade. I did not take this trade. I take the trade, right? So the liquidity, I'm looking for a breakup structure, but never get that, right? But I was looking for a 5 minute call, which I had. Boom. That's why then I entered because I was long unconfident, right? Really entered my zone, so get out of my zone, bro. So I below this TP1 right here, and eventually came back down. Eventually after this, what happened was touch my zone again, bro. Break structure back up. Right, touch my zone, touch my 5 minute building block, broke structure back up, so that's above the breakup structure. Yeah, TP right there. And go for 1-2-1 RR. On this one was basically this one right here was a break even trade because my touched my break even zone, came back down, took me out, right? I didn't took this one because of auto block, you know, fair value gap, breakup structure happens, that's below this. And this other one I had right here, another set of touch my danger zone, get out of my danger zone. But right when I touched my 5 minute builder block, it never gave me a breakup structure back to the upside, so there's no entry model right here, no entry model. No entry model. Alright, so the reason I took this other trade over here was because, you know, it went down, stopped the liquidity, right? When price was stopping out liquidity, what it did was it broke structure up but never gave us the entry model. So it came back down, broke structure back down, give us another order block, boom, touch the order block, eventually broke structure up right here. Just about this. Take profit 1 right here, take profit 2 right here, right? The next day, so the liquidity, went through the liquidity, 5 minute breakup should never happen, but guess what? There's a 5 minute building block, boom, so better entry, so top below this, and yeah, take profit 1, take profit 2, still the same, right? And the Friday to Thursday, right? So basically Thursday trade is that we had a late night Thursday actually, I think so. No, mine. So we just touched the provide gap. I did take this trade, by the way. I did take this trade, so came back down, broke structure up, total liquidity. Total liquidity, well, right? Just above this, right? And took another trade over here. Both of them, I took both of them, by the way. So boom, took both of them TP. When my break even spot where it was right here, and right when I hit this, I broke even. Right, TP1, TP2 smashed. This trade was basically why. With that, once you touch my provide gap, right? I got a need to break up structure, right? No break even stage. This one I somehow lost at break even. No. Let me see a 30 minute. Let me see a 30 minute. Oh, you motherfucker. Well, there's no fucking auto block in this. How did I lose this trade? So this trade was a fucking stupid loss. This shit would have hit this shit would have hit a TP, and I got another entry right over here would have hit TP as well. Yeah, this would have hit TP. So next time, remember to not break even too early. So do not break even too early. Break at the timing, and yeah, break even. Play smart, not don't play dumb, right? So yeah, this was a stupid loss. Fucking stupid as fuck. Right, not a loss by the way. It was a break even trade. And I had another trade right over here. Boom, entry sales over here. Let's TP, right? The block has TP. The other one right over here. Right. Roger, this one was basically what happened right here. This is my buy model. Right when I touch my buy model, right into right here. So I blow this zone right here, right? Right when I touch this zone, here's my break even spot. Should have break even fast. So this one time the break even fast, and no breaking too early and breaking the time the break even right into the break even spot, breaking fast, right? Breaking like fast. This right here was a respectable loss. That's our building block, right? Super all the 4 hour, 1 hour quick confluence, 4 hour conflict, 1 hour confluence, another 4 hour confluence, right? So top below this, touch my opponent building block. Then yeah, eventually got us move up, but this is like right here, just a respectable loss. Another one. I took another trade over here. That's my building block. That's my 5 minute building block. I'm looking for backup structure. That's my touch my break even spot, and I eventually made no money on this trade, which was a good thing, right? So yeah, we just back to everything. Chat. If you guys need help with anything, man, let me know, man. Just commentate right now, chat. Commentate right now. Commentate right now if you guys need help with anything. Chat, if you guys need help, bro, let me know, chat. Just calm it down.
I say, how's it go? I say, hey. I don't know. Actually, perfect. Things that we, I highlighted. Aren't they? Already.
Trade for this ad because I want to give you a free course on how to launch and scale. Actually, made sure YouTube targeted you. I know that you're either a business owner, investor, or someone that does deals or wants to raise capital to achieve inside the. If that's not you, just skip over this ad and move on. But chances are that's something out. And if that's you, you can click below and claim 100% free course to help you scale. Inside that free course, there's 30 plus videos on how to raise capital, how to find investors, how to put it all together.
But chat, yeah, if you guys need help with anything, let me know. I'm free.
You know, just watching.
You're gonna you me. You embarrassed of me? Very.
Serious?
Yeah.
Dude,
You ashamed of me?
So,
You pissed me off.
so,
Hey, cheers.
babysitting. So,
Babysitting? I'm your girl.
If you guys need help, bro, let me know. Type it down right now.
charity. Your service.
sure.
Hey, Lee.
Yeah, if you guys need help, let me know, man. Shit.
Seen it's like that.
What
So, somebody said,
do you mean? Is it me?
serious.
Yeah.
Maybe, like you, someone like
Shit.
that. Yo,
I'm gonna make a video, man. Fuck it. Sorry, chat. Sorry, let me make a video. So when it goes back to that shit,
That first the script every morning. Okay.
So-
Role plays. No, you gotta get. You're missing. And
wait. So what should I say as a hook?
okay, they house.
This is why you're.
What?
Let me see. Let me wear this, baby. Let me wear this so I can talk better. Talk better. Talk shit. This is why your backtesting is not effective to your trading, right? So when you backtest, right? So let's just say, as an example, let's just say you trade gold, right? But let's just say you backtest gold for so long, right? You're like, yo, I'm getting bored of gold. I know I've been doing the same. I've been backtesting the same. I cook, chat, cook. Hold up. This is why your backtesting is not effective to your trading. So the reason your backtest is not effective to your trading, right, is because that when you trade, when you backtest, when you I cook, chat. Did I cook?
Pretty semi-passive way. Because to me, like,
This is why
trading
your
courses are
backtesting-
one of those spots that you get a bunch of money and I don't have to do anything. Or I gotta do
your backtesting is not effective to your trading, and here's why. So when you trade, let's just say, example, you trade gold, right? Whatever pair you trade, right? So let's just say you trade that pair, but when you backtest another pair, right? Let's just say you do trade. Let's just say you do backtest gold, right? But let's just say you do backtest it, right? You backtest it for a while, and then you get bored. Be like, yo, I've been back on the same day over and over and over and over, you know. Let me go different pair where I could give you different market conditions, different market ways the market goes, right? That's bad. That's not effective to your trading. If you trade one pair, what are you doing to other pairs, right? If you're trading all the gold, right? If you're trading gold, why are you backtesting other pairs like GPUSD or EURUSD, S&P, whatever other pairs are, right? That's not effective to your trading. The reason when you backtest, you're supposed to just backtest one pair, which is gold, right? Although you might see although you might be bored of that backtest the same days, but guess what? What if that backtest the same pair does? It lets you know it lets you know what days are good days, what days are bad days, and it helps you with how the market what are the market conditions these couple days. I messed up. So what should I say, chat? What should I say? Like as a, you know what I'm saying, chat? As a effective in pros and cons, like back on the same days. Okay. Yeah, I don't know how am I supposed to say this, chat? How should I say it, chat? How should I say it? Like, not helping. No, no. How should I say it? That or such a coward, little. Okay, so how should I say it, chat? How should I say it? That your backtesting is actually not helping you while you're trading. So here's why it's not helping you while you're trading. So it does help you. Yes, it does help you overall in general, right? But guess what? If you let's just say you trade one pair, let's just say you trade gold, right? Like me, right? So let's just say you trade gold. But when you backtest a different pair, right? But let's just say you do trade gold. Let's just say you do backtest gold, but for a while you do, right? And you back to the same days over and over and over and over to the same days, like Monday through Friday, like last week, Monday through Friday, you backtesting like what for the whole week, right? But guess what? You know, you trade gold and you backtest a different pair. How was that? How was that other pair? Because every market moved different, right? Gold moved different. GPUSD moved different. GPUSD or GPGPY moved different. Every pair moved different, right? So if you trade gold, what the fuck are you doing backtesting other pairs, right? Other pairs like such as S&P. What are the fuck other pairs are, right? Why are you backtesting the other pairs if you trade gold, right? It's doing anything. Let's just say let's just say you trade what GPUSD. Why are you doing backtesting gold, right? So when you backtest, right, make sure you backtest the pair you trade. Because why? Because when you backtest the pair you trade, it will let you know which days are good days, or this day is like yesterday, or this day is like last week, or this day is like a couple months ago, right? It will actually let you know which days are good days, which days are like comparing the other days. You know, basically history repeats itself, right? So basically, if you backtest one pair overall, right? I'm saying overall, you backtest one pair, you trade one pair, it helps you with your confidence. You know that you literally master the pair you trade, right? And that literally helps you out. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you backtest one pair, trade one pair, and when you backtest one pair, do not go to other pairs. So when you trade gold, when you trade gold and you backtest gold, do not backtest any other pair because every market moves different. And when you backtest one pair, that one pair you will know the movement of that pair. You will know which days are good, which ones are bad. You know the pros and cons of the pair, which days to watch out. You know, etc. Like that. Thank you for watching.
Testing is actually. So
I like
here's
color though,
why
I like that.
So she does help you out. Guess what? If you just say you trade one, just say you trade gold, right? So let's just say you trade gold.
Get your ass out of here, man. Leave me alone, man. Stop taking my food.
Trade gold. Just say you do just gold, but for a while you do.
Huh?
And you to the same day as over. To the same day, like last week. Guess what? Trade gold. Here, gold move different. GPUSD move different. GPUSD or GPGPY. So if you trade gold, fuck right. See, that's right. It's like such as S&P. So trade gold. Hey, it's 15. Hey, let's just say you trade what? Z. It's the same gold. So when you back test right? You back test the why? Trade. Or you know which days are good days, or this day like yesterday, or this day like last week, or this day like months ago, right? To let you know which days are good days, which days are days. Basically, it needs to repeat itself, right? So basically, if you all right, saying overall, you trade back to one day, trade one, do all with your confidence, you know, until it back to the trade, right? So saying so, share your back test, trade one. Just one pair, the other pair. So we trade gold. And you test gold,
You think he looks good?
Testing is actually you. So here's why it's not weight training. So it does help. See, so guess what? If you let's just say you train, say you train gold, right? So let's just say you train gold. You test something. But let's just say you do train gold. Just say you do test gold, but from you know, to the same is over to the same day, like. But guess what? Train gold. That with the other pair, gold move different. GPUZ move different. GPUZ or GPUZ.
Yeah, good. Alright, bro, let's go. Ahsan, rough the wall. Good doing, brother. Hey, if you guys need help with anything, man, let me know. I'm just making a video right now. Okay.
See, D. So you test right? Trade. That's why. Trade. You know, stay from the base. Stay like yesterday or day like this week or day like to go. To let you know, stay from the base, which is zero.
Wait, back testing.
To repeat itself, right? Trade if you
Only pride, yeah, chat. Only pride. Yeah, this week we're gonna make hella money this week, chat. Inshallah. Inshallah, dude. Say you pay go. Say you to the same day. So, trade goal. Yo, you guys need help, chat? Please let me know. أهلا وسهلا حبيبي. أهلا وسهلا. So if you all need help with anything, well, let me comment it right now, man. I got y'all, man. And so that I feel blessed today, man. Alhamdulillah. And Ya Allah, please don't make me feel mispresent prayer. I mean, Ya Rab, please. I mean, Ya Rab. I mean, Ya Allah. Astaghfirullah, 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 astaghfirullah alim. Astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah alim. Ya Allah. Ya Allah. I'm on my way. If you guys need help with anything, let me know, man. Comment it down, comment it down. What you guys need help with, man? Let me know, bro. Come on, man. You gotta let me know what you guys need help with, man. What you guys need help with, man? Comment it down, bro. I got you, man. What you guys need help with? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Salud, pa. You gonna be bitches be one of me? No way. Yeah, let's kill this week, baby. Let's kill this week, baby. Let's rape this week. Let's rape them. Chad, the first dub this week will matter so fucking much. This week, the first dub will always get it. We will get the first dub will be the fucking dub. The first dub will always be a fucking dub. The first dub will always be a fucking dub. I mean, we already had a break-even trade, but the first dub will always be a fucking dub. Dub. I look fried, right, chat?
But this person, that's actually big, 30. Just like
Chat, let me know, man. Free all my Indians, man.
Luxury car shopping with Shan. You just got in and did you so like responsible influencer should spend on a sports car spending on sports car please do. This is option number 2. Is this Yep, alright. This is option. $65. Is this gonna run? Very fun. You look like solid. 6. This is the
Yeah, you guys need help with anything, man? Let me know, man. Come on. I'm here to help you out, man. I love y'all, man. I'll die for y'all. Come on, hold on.
You know what's in here? John, chewing sweet potato. Now I
On
Yo, need help with anything, man? Yo, fucking fuckers, man. I'm gonna fuck your booty. Making a took on a booty, hey. On a book on a booty, hey. Come on, bro. Check. Come on, man. You got to know how many nothing?
And now, see you. Oh, oh, our
Jayoma. Got my case dismissed. Hearing public servant. And Johnson. 1 year. I know the police officer. And I couldn't be happier. Strategic right now. I can't even think right. Yeah, this man right here really surprised me. Man, he late. Executed. Thing is actually you training. So here's why it's not you ain't training. So he does help. Yes, he does help you out. Gender. Guess what? You let's just say you straight gold. So let's just say straight gold. Test something. Say you train.
You don't need help, bro. Yo, some up.
Same is over. Just same. Guess what? If you trade gold. DNA.
Y'all don't need help, man. Y'all some ops, man. What the frick? What's wrong with y'all, man? You don't need help, man. I'm here to help out my community, and you're not helping out my community. Sure, we're in that bitch, you know what I'm saying? We need to be Tomorrow's Monday, right? Tomorrow's Monday. Do I want to cook tomorrow? We're gonna cook today. We're gonna cook today. What's the news, Daddy?
Why? I get it. No worries.
I might have to fuck you, chat. If you need help with anything, man, let me know,
This
man.
literally- Tell you that. Chris,
Yo, need help, man? What the hell is wrong with y'all, man?
I was like, I can't. No, wait. What's the problem? Like, I'm not even. I don't. Not again. Promise. Like, calm down. That's Louis. I will tell you this. Ever heard the no, I can see how this. At the time.
Hey, man.
Yeah, you don't need help with nothing, man. Come on, man. You can't leave me out like this. You don't need help. Dude. Y'all love me, Chad. I love y'all too, man. Let me fuck y'all, man. Let me fuck you, bitch. Let me fuck you, booty. والذين آمنوا وصار بها. Alright, buddy. Let me call my boy. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا وسهلا حبيبتيز. Alright, so baby. Drag my boy. What's good? What's good? Hello? I don't think I'm able to hear other people but by myself. I don't know. Let me go and fix this shit. Yo, I removed you to here because wait, I can't hear you by the way. I don't know. Fuck. Shit, messed up again. Yo, because like my computer is messed up, I can't really hear other people, so oh yeah. What did I do wrong with this computer now, bro? Wait, hold on. I think I gotta go get my computer. I mean, I gotta get my headphone type shit, something like that. I can't really hear nobody. Yeah, I can't hear you, brother. I can't. So, shit. Actually, I mean, I don't know because my computer has been messed up like this for a while, bro. I can't even see nothing, bro. What the fuck is this? I was like, wow, bro, why is my vision so low? Like that, I can hear now. So, like, let me go wear this real quick. I think without this, I can't really hear nothing. Let me in. Try to talk now. Say it to one more time, please. I still can't hear you, man. Fuck. How did I mess this shit up? You talking, bro? My bad, bro. I can't really hear you, bro. I don't know why this computer's like. The Discord setting. Oh, bet. Where's it at? Where's it at? Discord setting? Let me share my screen over there. But I'm gonna go over. What was it right here? Yeah. But which one's the Discord setting right here? User setting. I don't mean this. I hate this mic, man. So, setting we're at. You tried ICT, yeah, brother. But always trading ICT, and I trade ICT and a little bit. I trade ICT, but a lot of levels. Oh yeah, brother. We're supposed to. Oh shit! Put my number in there. Oops. We just quick change that out so I don't mess it up. Huh? Go on voice and video. Voice and video. Yeah. So from here, where should I go? You put this mic away, man. It's app setting down there, app setting down there, app setting, app setting. App setting. Is it here? App setting. What the fuck is app setting? Oh, wait. Video setting. Chance. Voice. Let me check. Setting. Okay, bad. Wait, what? Oh, right here, right here, right here, right here. Input is this. This one is the. Okay, you can hear me now. Can you speak now real quick? Oh yeah, yeah. I think I got it. Audio. Nothing here. Can I speak real quick? Yeah, I can hear you now, brother. I can hear you now. Okay. So let me go share my screen with you, brother. So I'm gonna first teach you the what do you call it? The one I used currently with the recent session. So I'm gonna show you as a proof, right? I'm gonna show you like. Let me go share my screen on this too. I'm gonna show you like 10 examples of the recent session zone, right? So yeah, let me go mark out 10 sessions or like a couple sessions. Some days it doesn't work, by the way, just to let you guys know, is when there's too much volatile move happening, right? Some days it might work, some days it might not work, you know, but it all depends. It all depends if you wait for a confirmation candle or not. So let me start from where? Let me start from. Yep. Monday at 8. So go all the way at Monday at June 24th, right? So right there. So once you go to the 30-minute time frame, go to 30-minute time frame, right? At Monday 10th, June 24th. So once you go here, go to the 30-minute time frame, right? Mark out that recent session open, which is 8 o'clock. So you got it? Let me see as well. Yep. So actually, oh shit, what the fuck? So delete every chart so we can, like, you know, restart it, or will that mess you up your chart? Yeah, can you like, you know what I'm saying, will you be able to put it back in there or no? Yes, no, just click that. See the button right there? You can click all of them at one time. All the way down here to the left. Down to the left. You see that trash can right there? Right there. Don't delete the indicators. Yeah, so now go to the June 24th, Monday. Oh, I'm lagging. Yeah, my stream's kinda ass right now. Hello? Can you hear me?
Yeah,
So once you're at June 24th, Monday, right? Mark it down, and you're gonna go mark down the, what do you call it? The London session as well. Yep. So mark the London session and the Asian session. Mark it down. So what you're gonna do is, right, get that thing where you can mark down the, you know, the date time. So go to the, you know, see how you get the equipment down there? Like, you see my screen, right? Get something like this where you can mark down the date. So I think you go right here. See this right here is this one right over here. Horizontal line, vertical line, right? So once you get it, so mark out the, what do we call it? New York Open, London Open, and Asian Open. So once you opened it, right? So you're gonna go at 30-minute time frame. Once you're at 30-minute time frame, you're gonna look at the, you know, what do you call it? What do you call it? Asian Open, right? See, you're gonna see the highest high and the lowest low. So which one do you think is the highest high and the lowest low for London? I mean Asian. Just make a box out of it. 30-minute time frame, by the way. Yep. So when you do it, right, make sure, so when they just say your Asian session opens, right, you see my chart, right, you see how they just say it's the highest high, right, and then it's the lowest low, but sometimes he might give you another higher over here, right on the, so you see how sometimes, right, you gotta watch out. Sometimes you want middle plate you. So when there's the highest high, right, when the lowest low, so next, so let's just say from Asian go to from Asian session, right, go to London session, right. sometimes it might give you a bearish candle and a bullish candle, right? Which is the, like, you know what I'm saying, which will be the biggest low, you know what I'm saying, the lower low of, you know, Asian, right? But it might correlate with the London, right? So which is that won't be a, what do you call it? How the fuck do you call this? It won't be a realistic thing, right? So you're gonna mark it out. So mark this out right here. The highest high, make a box out of it, right? And drag it down to the New York Open. You see how the New York Open tested? These are always recent sessions. So these are not the these are not a couple days. Always the recent session, by the way, okay? So you see how this right here, right, oh shit, what the fuck happened? See how right here? Yep. So you see how this right on Monday, what we call it, New York Open, this is the recent testing zone, which was the Asian zone, the highest high, right? So now we're gonna go to London, which is London Open at 3 o'clock, right? You're gonna mark out the highest high and the lowest low, which is sometimes it doesn't get touched, by the way, okay? So we just want to get a no. That's what you get to know, okay? So there's the lowest low, right? Right over here for London. The highest high looks like to be this right. Looks like to be this right over here. Wait, let me see. So mark it out too. Delete the, what do you call it? You see, when you mark it out, right? Make sure you make the box. Like, don't make it too expanded. Don't make it too expanded. Just make it from the. So when you draw the box, right? Don't draw the box all the way. The reason you don't want to draw the box all the way, right? Is that after like, let's just say after New York session, right? It's less likely to happen. It's less likely to get respected. So that's what I'm talking about. You know what I'm saying? It's like you know what I'm saying, a brand new thingy. Yeah, just until New York session ends. So which is like at 8 o'clock after it ends, right? Because every day's gonna be a new one. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do, right? That's what we're gonna do, right? No, you don't open that one. You know why? When the London opened there, and the what do you call it? The high correlates with the low, which is that's not a real one, by the way. Although it does look like you got respected. You see how you got respected, right? But eventually came back down. Yeah, so that's like really you don't want to mark that down. See my screen, right? It's like this. So there's the high of London, there's the low of London, there's the low of Asian, there's the high of Asian, right? So when New York opened right here, right? You see how the New York went right down to this support area, where I think it's a support area, or the level area, right? So now once you're here, we're gonna go to the 5-minute time frame. This is how we can look for entry, right? That's how I look for it, actually. I mean, you can do whatever you like, but I'll always look for a confirmation because these could get flipped over. You see how it's support, right? And get flipped to a go to 5-minute time frame, by the way. You know how sometimes when it's rare resistance, right, can flip into a support. So that's why you always want to look for a confirmation candle, because this could definitely, the market can definitely come back down right here, take us out, right? So that's why we always wait for a confirmation candle. So now we got a 5-minute time frame. We're gonna look for an execution entry, right? We don't want to get middle plated type shit. You feel me? So once the market came down here, touched the support, we're looking for a confirmation out of this candle, which usually I'm a smart money trader, right? So I look for like different building blocks, such as, you know, a strong zone, which would be right here. This one right here would be my strong zone. See that strong zone, bearish, green. That creates a really strong bullish. You see how this never came out. You see how he touched it so many times, right? Eventually came back down. This confirmation candle out of it would have literally been my entry position, right? But let me see your screen. Is that a 1-minute time frame? No, that's the 5-minute time frame, right? Yeah, see, no, you see my screen, right? Bearish. See how this one is bearish, right? Bearish, bullish. This one is right. You see how this one is correct, right? This one is correct as well, right? But guess what though? Did the support get touched ever? Did the support ever get touched? No, right? So that's why this one got touched. Eventually got to move out of it. This right here would have been literally an entry in. So if you go to the 1 minute time frame, I don't think I go to the 1 minute time frame because my thing won't let me. But I backed it today, and my entry model would be right here, right? Although it's a bad entry, right? But if you know, saying everybody trades different, right? So the way you could come down here, be like, yo, there's a good entry over here. This move out of the zone would be an entry, good entry for you. You see how this support area right here, the strong support area, hold it off so hard, right? But it just push higher. So yeah, so you can go from here. So when you take profit, it's gonna be like this, right? So there is you enter from right here, right? You take profit, basically gonna be now go back. Good. Now you're gonna go back to a 30-minute time frame. It could be different. It's however you feel, right? But for me, when I trade support and resistance, it's always like this, right? So I'm gonna go to a different time zone. So I'm gonna see the recent session, right? So this session was, I think, was this the highest high of? Which one was this? Alright, so that's I do my take profit two different way, right? It could either be the recent session zone take profit, or it could be a strong support. It could be a strong support area, right? Or resistance area, right? So this right here, the reason why I take profit would be right here, right? The reason why I take profit would be there is just because, as you can see, bullish, bearish. You see, although this, right, it wasn't the highest high of, although that wasn't the highest high of New York, right? It was like, saying it wasn't the high, right? So that it wasn't the highest, right? But it still matters because what? It's a bullish, bearish, right? That makes it a strong support, what do you call it? A resistance area, right? I don't know, my bad for calling it support or resistance because I don't really trade that. I just call it levels, right? So you see how it touched it, right? It can eventually get back down. He's gonna take you out, eventually go back up higher, right? So yeah, you could use this in I think a different way as well too. So yeah, that's one of them. I'm gonna show you more examples just to show you proof, right? You see how this zone never got touched? You see how this zone never got touched? But guess what? Right here, this zone got touched, right? You want to be awake for this zone though. So you see how right on what do you call it? Not an open. It touched the zone, right? So right when it touches the zone, all we're looking for is the 5-minute confluence. So I usually my confluences are like saying my confirmation confluences are always in a 5-minute time frame, right? So you can literally call both the trades. So do you trade in London, right? New York and London, right? So once it touches the zone, right? Which one's open right here? Right when it touches it. So right when it touches it, right? Do you see how the market never broke touch it back down, or like, I mean, it didn't change character, right? And it got out of the danger zone. So usually when I trade support and resistance, this is usually the danger zone. So if the market ends inside the support area, right? That usually means that market's gonna go lower, right? So that's why every time I want to look for a candle out of the danger zone, which is the support area, like get a candle, confirmation candle out of it, right? Which would have been this candle or this candle, because they never ended inside. So inside this, somewhere inside this zone, there would have been a confirmation candle right here. See how you touch it, right? Right when you touch it, entry right here, sell stop below this zone. You can put it whatever you like, right? But usually you want to be less extra off. You don't want to put it too tight, right? Or you can put it tight, right? But it wouldn't be, saying, in the long run, it wouldn't be useful for you, because if you put it too tight, although you're gonna make more money, but guess what though? That's gonna fuck you up in the long run. The long run, you're gonna experience way more losses than usual, right? So let's see, what do you think we're gonna put? Where is gonna be the take profit for you? Where do you think gonna be the take profit? Yeah, what do you think? Let me see your chart real quick. Actually, I could just move it right here. Yep, entry right there. Why did you put your zone there? What is that zone? What is that zone? Usually that, bro, price action, you're too new to the market. You see how long you been trading for? Month, right? Hey, no disrespect to you, right? But a month is not in like a price action means like you trade for like what, years and on end. Like me, I've been trading for like almost 3 years now, right? And I still don't know a lot about price action. It's kind of hard to, to really know that, yo, that zone right there is gonna be take profit, right? So what do you think? Where's the other place you're gonna be take profit? Where would you put your take profit? Like realistically, where would you put take profit? So do you see the zone right here? No. Why? That's really shitty ass risk reward ratio. That's not even a 1-to-1. That's a 1-to-1, right? But that's, look how shitty it is. You wanna, I don't wanna say you don't wanna be greedy, but see how the market came back down, took you out, right? That doesn't really mean shit, cause you know why? Your shut stop is here, so the market never went down there. But your take profit, you see my screen, right? Your take profit would be right on this support area. You know why? Recent session. So you're gonna this is how you're gonna do take profit, right? You're gonna go from recent session to recent session, recent session to recent session, right? Or you can go from strong zone to strong zone to strong zone. So like let's just say you enter out of a London low, just like this, right? Right when you enter out of the low, you're gonna go for a recent session high, or you're gonna go for a really strong zone, which is eventually right here. If you wanna, you could have holded it, you could have hold this trade from here to all the way over here, but you know it's all of, you know, however you feel. If you want to be, you know what I'm saying, you don't really want to hold it from here to here, you know what I'm saying, you feel me? So like recent session highs, the highest high, but make sure sometimes when you touch the recent session, right, it won't hit your TP. So when I do my TP on this recent session and stuff, it's usually always the start of it. You know what I'm saying? Because you don't want to be greedy, you know what I'm saying? Let's just say this right here is not that much difference. You know, this high to this low is not that much difference, right? So going over here is still enough. It's still, let's see, it does a 1-to-8 RR, right? It's still almost kind of new to this, so it doesn't really matter, right? Or you could have gone from all the way to right here, but that you know what I'm saying, you want to be less, you know, you want to get risk off out of it, you know what I'm saying? So now you tell me where do you want to put your take profit? Like now you're in your preview. You see, these you don't gotta worry about TP1, TP2 because these shit doesn't really matter in the market no more. Like TP1, so when you do support and resistance, right? People don't really go for TP1, TP2, they just go for 1 TP. You know what I'm saying? Because if you go for one TP or 2 TP, right? That's usually just for a support, and that's not for support and resistance user. They're there for SMC traders. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? They're for like smart people or like, you know, smart concept traders, which is really a bullshit thing. So now you see you get me right here, or should I explain more? Or a strong zone, you know what I'm saying? What did you put that there? I put that there? No, you marked it wrong. You marked it wrong. Delete that one real quick. Go to 30-minute time frame. You see the highest high of the 30-minute? It's always the 30-minute, by the way. I don't use the hourly time frame. It's always the 30-minute. And that, you know, the way I got this, right? The way I got this was from a really what do you call it? He's not in the industry of trading anymore, but he was really experienced of 13 years. So yeah, that's how he taught me. So you see the highest high up there? Right here, mark it out. Yep. No, highest high. You see, a highest high has to be like this, right? You have to have a bullish candle and a bearish candle. This right here is never a high, but this right here is never a high. Cause look, that's bullish, right? Bullish, bearish. This is the highest high. A high is basically a bullish, so bullish, bearish. A low is bearish, bullish, right? Just like that, right? Yeah, that's the highest high. Yeah, it's by wick, by the way, so you gotta always make sure the bigger wick, right? Always make sure the bigger wick. No, that's not. Which one are you talking about? No, that's a different session, bro. That's not the same session as London. So you want to look for the highest high of London, so that you want to look at the highest high of London, not the, you know, Asian. Yep. So see how you never got touched? Sounds like it doesn't get touched, right? But guess what? Look. You had 2 entries, on one on London and one on this. You could have hold this trade right here. You see my screen, right? You could have hold this trade from here all the way to here and hit a 5RR, right? You could have if you wanted to, right? But if you know, it all depends on how you feel the trade, if you want to hit it or not, right? This would have been I think a 200 or 2,000 pips, something like that. I don't fucking know. So yeah. So let's go to the next day now. I'm gonna show you the concept proofs that it actually works. So now go to the next day. Mark out the New York Open. Yep. 30-minute or hourly. This around the really. It's really. Make sure, bro. Like realistically, bro, delete that daily time frame. That's gonna fuck you up because daily time frame, right, is really gonna fuck you up in the long run. I ain't gonna lie. If you're day trading gold, weekly daily time frame is not good. What does that mean? Oh, you got that. Oh shit. Okay, my bad, my bad. So you see the New York Open, right? So you now you're gonna go to now you go mark out every session other let me work out. Fuck, I can't speak English no more. Let me mark out every other session open real quick. Is that London right there? So go to. No, you don't have to. I mean, if you want to, however you feel like. You know. But I don't feel like it. See how after New York session open, right? You see how the Asian session support area is no longer valid. So that's what I'm saying. It's always the recent session. It's never, you know, saying. You see how it got invalidated. Let me show you in my screen, right? See how when you pull it over right here, right? You see how it got invalidated. Although it does look like it's gonna work, but you see how it came back down. You can liquidate you. You know what I'm saying? You see how it come back down. You see, let's just say you would have had a setup right here to the upside, but guess what? You would have gotten this liquidated because this came back down, took you out, just like that. So it's always the recent session. It's never the previous. It's always the recent session, right? So now we're gonna go to New York Open, which is over here. Now mark out the London and Asian, right? So once you mark out the Asian, so you tell me which is the highest high, which is lowest low. Mark it out from Asian real quick. Do the Asian. Yep, start with Asian, mark it out the highest high. Brother, I don't think that's the real time data of. Yeah, you see these indicators, bro? Just delete the indicators because I can't. I don't think I see the real. Wait, actually, I do see it. Never mind. I'm fucking tripping out. Am I? Wait, let me see my screen. Let me see your screen. Yeah, okay. Yeah, delete this indicator. They're telling the wrong data. That's not the real data. So, at 20. Yeah, 20. Oh, at my time, 20. At EST. Yeah, so when you trade, bro, change your time date. Change your date because you want to know the real time date. You know what I'm saying? To the American time date. Change. You see the time date? Because I think you would have more advantage on that. You would have more advantage on this. You change your time date to UTC, I think 4 or something like that. -4. I heard that people say that if you put it just to UTC 4, you would have more advantage on the market because you would see the more, you know, saying specific time of it. So now you see the 20 clock. Let's mark out the 20 clock over there. Right here. Yep. No, but see how this one open. This is right here. It says okay. It right here on this, right? It says that Asian opened right here, which is not. This is wrong. Not right. Cause you never want to trade before. You never want to trade before a session open because usually we'll get liquidated quick. It should go from the bottom to the wick. Now go mark out the lowest low of it. So now go mark out the London high and low. The highest high and lowest low. 3 o'clock. It's back right here. Backward. You see how right there, yeah. 3 o'clock is right there. Yep. 3 a.m. yeah. The highest high does now look like is right, yep, right there. Make sure you always body to the wick, don't because body to the wick. And by the way these support resistance gets flipped, right? They could get flipped, by the way, and just let you guys know, right? Just to let you know, right? It could get flipped. So when it gets flipped, right? It has to level break. You know what I'm talking about? So meaning, so let me just mark it out myself too, because I fucked up. I didn't mark it out. You see, I forgot to talk about this. Yeah. Just to let you know, bro, it does get flipped over. Okay, the resistance, right, could become a support, right? You know that, right? I'll just let you know. Let me mark it out myself real quick. What is the low of here? So you see how right on New York Open, right? He level broke this Asian high. He retested the high, right? You see how he retested the high? It went right back up, but right when it went back up, right, it level broke back down. So you see how this candle right here, this 30-minute candle at 11:30. You see how that level broke the recent session high? It level broke it. So right when it level broke it, you see the next candle retested it. The next candle, so let me mark it out myself. So this candle right here, we tested it, right? Right when we tested it, you push it down lower to the next, the next Asian low. Eventually, right when it came down, although this level broke this other high, right? It came back right back up, level broke back up to the upside. So you could catch a really quick scalp if you're fast enough. You have to be really quick on this shit. Let me see in a 5-minute time frame if you could have catch a scalp on that. Yeah, I think you could have catch a scalp. Yeah, you could have catch a scalp on this. Yeah, you could have. Wait, what did you? Wait. How do you enter on support and resistance, bro? Cause I gotta let you. I gotta see how you enter. I mean, support and resistance, you can't really do the trend, you know what I'm saying? Because support can go up and down, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, all depends. I mean, you do know that the more he gets touched, he has a higher chance of getting level broke, bro. But eventually, when he gets you, because when he touches support and resistance area, right? You know what he does inside that. What he does inside that support and resistance, right? He basically accumulates orders. So when the market moves out of it too many times, right? Eventually gonna get weaker because there's literally no less orders there to be left over, right? So the next time the market goes down, they can level break it. Yeah, you could literally have caught a trade up, down, up, down, up. You could caught a trade anytime, right? But you have to wait for a confirmation candle, right? Couple of times. Oh yeah, so you're like that. Okay. So it doesn't touch the out of support area. Okay. I get what you mean. Yep, to the other zone. Yep. So you see how on this trade you could have caught a trade to the downside to this other support if you really wanted to. You see my screen, right? You could have used this, I'm a smart money trader, right? So this right here for me is a auto block, right? You could have used this support right here, so eventually you would have had a setup from downside to this side. You could put your setup anywhere you want, but usually I think it would be fine. And you could have gone for a 1-to-1, right here on the support here. That would have been a 1-to-1 or right? After that, you could have caught a bigger trade to the upside. So once you see how this came back out right here, the 30-minute candle right here. You see the 30-minute candle, right? Closed inside this. It closed inside the support. So when the 30-minute candle, right, closes inside or above or level breaks it, right? If it closes inside, right, that usually means a bullish sign or a bearish sign depending on how the market goes, right? So let's just say there's a there's a resistance or support. I don't know if it's a support, right? The mark goes up. The 30-minute candle ends inside of it, right? That usually means that bullish side to me, because the next candle looks like it's gonna go up higher. I mentioned it retested it, as you can see, it went up higher. Retested it. I mentioned it went up higher and even more, right? So you can literally come down here, that's a fair value gap. Get a retest of this, get a move out of it. So this right here would have been a confirmation candle. You could have put your sell stop anywhere, but I feel like the sell stop would have been nice. Would have been nice from here. You could have gone for multiple take profit on this, because this is too new to the market, right? That's not a good reward ratio, right? We could have done it just right when it goes here, break even, and yeah, try to go for a different take profit. So now we go back to 30-minute time frame. Now you're gonna go for the highest high of what they call it, New York, which is all the way over here. Did it even get touched? Yeah, eventually did get touched. You see how it eventually got touched the next day? That's the 30-minute time frame, by the way. The highest high of London, Asian. Okay, New York opens at 8 o'clock, by the way. Yep, this right here. So you literally gone there for take profit, or you could have gone the high, but usually I just go for the, the start of it. That would have been a 3RR right there. But hey, that's to let you guys know, bro. Just let you know, brother, that you do take losses from these. But the point of this strategy is just to know that, yo, you always, on this strategy, you always look for a confirmation, because you will get middle plated easily, right? So this would have been a 3RR. This one would have been a 1-to-1 RR. This one would have been a 4RR or 5RR. 2RR to 5RR, right? This would have been a which one's the other one? Oh, I can't see this. This would have been a 2RR, right? That's a good ratio ratio, right? You do lose trades, by the way. You do lose trades on these. But if you're fast, right? If you think smart, right? You will have a really less risk of losing. You see how this candle right here closed inside the zone? You see how this candle closed inside the zone? That to me is bullish sign. So when I trade my zones, right? Usually I have a danger zone, when it says, let's say there's a support, right? And the market goes to the support, but as the market closes inside the support, right? The candle closes inside the support, that usually means like, yo, that's a better sign, because now the support has no money to push it back up higher, right? So what I wait for is the confirmation candle out of the support, then I look for an entry just like that, you know what I'm saying? So now, so now we're gonna look for a different. Hey, go ahead. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so break a level break and retest the level break. Yeah, leave the shit. Mm-hmm. Yep. Yeah. I mean, it looks shit. It's alright. It's cool, but sometimes you gotta know that you're trading in a fight. Wait, what time do you trade? What time do you execute your trades on? The 1 minute time frame. So I trade the 1 minute time frame when I execute, right? I trade the 1 minute time frame, right? But 1 minute. So like you gotta compare 1 minute to a daily time frame. So if you have a daily time frame move, right, and you're trading a 1 minute time frame, the market has a lot of chance of going against you before going with you, right? Yeah. Mhm. Yep. Yeah, and let me go show you more example. We're gonna go until we're gonna do this from here all the until we get to real time data, all right? So we know that it actually works, right? So now go to the next New York Open. I think this New York Open happened, but make sure this New York Open right here was a we call it a news play, by the way, just to let you know. So mark out the like we call it the session opens and closes. Oh no, just that's the opens actually. At 20 o'clock is Asian, 20 o'clock is Asian, and 3 a.m. is London, and 8 a.m. is call it New York. Just mark out the rest of the session open and mark out the highest high, lowest low. 20 is the New York open. I mean the London open. My English is so fucked up recently, man. Damn. My English is fucked up. All right, there, boom. What? I know, but you know, I speak 5 languages, bro. I can't keep up. 3, damn, bro. Got it, brother. Dark Turkish and English, dang. When the girl I'm trying to get married is from Turkey, eh? The girl I'm trying to marry is from Turkey, eh? So, yeah, mark out the lows, the highs, and go to London and mark out the whole lows and the highs. So, lowest low, London. Damn, actually, this day, I was trying to look for a trade this day, right? And, bro, in my smart money concepts, right, I didn't have a setup, but in my support and resistance, I had a setup. Damn, fucked up. Yeah, misses. I was looking for a trade, right? But I couldn't. I was looking for a smart money trade, right? But I had a support resistance trade. Damn, fuck, I fucked it up. So what's the high of this shit? So did you mark out the highest high, lowest low? Make sure it's always the highest high, and the wick matters, by the way. So the wick is the important part. You always gotta make sure the wick and the from the wick to the body is always the wick. Oh fuck, I can't speak English, bro. From the wick to the body is always the most important part. See how you marked out your session open, right? But you didn't do the wick to the body. You're always gotta do that. And have the magnetic field. Have the magnetic field, because that will help you trace it better. So right here, go to the left side. You see how the trash can is right over there? The trash can. Just go. You see the magnetic thing? Yeah, that symbol. Click it. Make it strong. So now, right when you trace it, you could do correctly. Right to the now go to the body. Now go to the body of the can of the lowest low. That right there. See how that helps it up? Yeah, that's what I love. That's what I love. This fucking support resistance shit. This will help you out so much, bro. So now go mark out the other one. Mark out from the body to the wick. You can make sure you can do the right one, because it'll fuck you up. Yeah, to the right one, Now go to the London, go to the Asian as well. Do the highest high of Asian, lowest low of Asian. The Asian is 20 o'clock, and you marked out the high of Asian, which is good. Yeah, you marked out the high, which is good. No, you see, if you forgot the London's high, forgot the London high. Mark out the London high. And delete the recent session New York open. That's invalid, bro. Doesn't work no more. You see how it touched it, right? But the market came back down, took you out. London open, which is at 3 o'clock. But I think there's a setup at London as well. Yeah, that's the highest high and lowest low. It's not that one. It's not that one. You have to have a bullish and a bearish candle. Go back a little more. Go back a little more. Right there. See that the bullish? Yeah, that's right there. That one is the highest high. No, it's not small. It's the highest high. No. You see, you gotta go to the body to the wick. Body to the wick. You see the wick, right? You see the bearish wick? That doesn't really matter. So when you do support and resistance, right? It's not the bullish one. It's not the bullish one. So whoever the candle that has the biggest wick is that one. It's right there. You see that? You see, go, no, other one, the bearish, go to the bearish candle, that one right there, the high. No, bearish of the candle. No, other one, right behind you. Like, go a little back, right there. You see the high of it? Look at the high of it. Right there, that one. That's the real one. Your share is way different than mine. What? Oh yeah, bro. You gotta get a different pair. That's CFDs on gold. That's oh wait, you're what? OZ? What is OZ? Wait, do you trade? What do you trade, bro? Are you trading like a USD pair, right? So that's why your shit is way different than mine. So when you trade it, right, go click gold, right? Click gold. Like type down gold. No, type it down. Cause everything has a different broker, right? You want to get the right broker. No, just go to your keyboard and mouse, just right. Just go to your keyboard, right? Just write gold. Actually, no. Go add XXUSD. XUUSD, right? And go to the Forex Open, forex.com. That one. This is way better. Now, like, delete every other chart. Delete every other chart. You see how I have the other chart, the symbols and shit. Delete them all out. No. Yeah. See all those other candles. You see all those other pairs. Delete them all. Just make sure you only have one pair. Which eventually these are like, you know what I'm saying. Yeah, delete all of them out. Delete all of them out. If you don't trade these pairs, you don't need to have it. You know. It's still the wrong one, but. And make sure when you add it, make it favorite it as well. You know that's the right one. Forex Open. Forex.com. Forex.com. That's one I'm using. Fuck, where'd it go? I think you had it favorited. Right there. See that Forex.com? Yeah, that one right there. And by the way, brokerage does matter, by the way. Every broker will possibly tell you the different time zone. And Forex.com is usually the best one, right? So now go back to the same time zone where you are, right? Go to the Wednesday, June 12th, 24, something like that. Go to June 24th. Backward. You see that big move, big wick up to the upside? Over there. See, yeah, that one right there. Yeah. So mark out the open and the closes and the opens. You see how that one got respected, but eventually I think it came back down. But yeah, but that was a spawn resistance trade. That was a different type of trade. See how this one? You see how this one didn't touch the body of that wick? Yeah, it didn't touch that thing. Huh? Now mark out the low and the high. I don't think it's that one, brother. It's the other one, because that's the market open of the. Because so that should let you know, right? When they correlate with each other, it's not the right one, by the way. See how this one is the bearish and bullish. See my candle, right? Look at my screen, right? You see how this is the bearish candle, the bullish candle, but guess what though? This is the market open. So this right here is invalidated. This is the right one right over here. Go to the body. To the candle's body. Yep. Yep. So now you got the what do you call it? Go to do the Asian low and the Asian high. Yep. So mark out the what do you call it? What is it? Fuck. The Asian low, which is at 20 o'clock. 20 o'clock. Right over here. Bro, I suggest, you see how this, go get the vertical line. Get that. Mark it out with the vertical line. Mark out the market opens and closes. That usually helps you out more. At 20, yeah. Now you know that, yeah, from here on, I'm gonna look for the highest high, lowest low. No, the highest, lowest low on that is not that. That's the high, yeah, that's the high, yep. Where's the low? What do you think the low is? Hey, you did get the right one. Yeah, but you see, what is the low? I'm talking about the low, bro. Yeah. Yep. So now we're gonna go to the 5-minute time frame. Now we're gonna see for a setup, right? So we could have taken a setup right before market open, or actually right on market open, did as a setup. What the fuck? So for me, I'm a smart money trader, right? Damn, I really missed out on this fucking good ass trade. I was wondering, bro. Damn. So you see my 5-minute, go to 5-minute time frame, right? You see for me, right? This right here is a confirmation candle. You see how the you don't know auto block, right? But this, to me, this right here, especially if an auto block is enough, my entry would have been right on the auto block, right on like somewhere right here. There would have been a breakout structure somewhere there, right? And put sell stop right below the because there's news playing out, right? There's news playing, right? So we're gonna put our sell stop right near our entry position, which is over here. Yeah. Take profit is gonna be where? It could be from here to over here and hit a 1 to 7 RR. It could go high because it's news play. Could have gone for like where? Session, go to session. You could go on. You could have gone for this high right over here, right? Boom. Could have gone for the highest high of Lend Asian, which is over here. Not, I don't think it's a high, but it's a strong zone. Boom. You could have gone for a really strong bullish candle. See, that's a 10 RR right there. You mark it down as well. You mark it down as well. Take it, mark it down so you can know. Usually a retest of it is really good. So, but you see how you never got a retest, right? So that's why when I trade support and resistance, right, I mix it up with smart money concept. So that to me right there is the entry position for me. Boom, you see, retested the zone. It didn't retest the zone, but it retested the Asian zone. You see how the Asian zone is right there? Go to the 5-minute. Just click control. You should be dragging it with your mouse. Just click control. Just click control. You should be able to drag it by yourself. Just hold control. Hold control. You do it. Hold control. You do it. You see how this 5-minute candle got out the zone. You see how this 5-minute candle got out the Asian low. Go to the 5-minute. Zoom in more. See how the 5-minute candle, first 5-minute candle got out the zone, right? Yup. You see how we tested it? That would be right there. Would be your entry. Boom. But you would have gone to the 1-minute time if you look for a confluence. Nah, that wouldn't be that entry, bro. That wouldn't be. You see that one right here? Go down more. Low. Yep. That would literally realistically be your entry. Put sell stop somewhere below here and go for a 10 RR if you really want to hold it from here to here. So the reason I put my take profit to all the way over here. Go to 30-minute time frame. Yep. So the reason I put my take profit all the way over here is zoom out. You see my screen, right? So the reason I put my take profit all the way over here is because look, bullish, bearish. That's a support zone. Eventually came back. You see how you eventually went up to it, right? But came right back down. You see the huge bearish movement right back down. But yeah, that you could have done that as well, and you could have actually took another trade over here as well. You could have taken another buying opportunity over here to the upside. Let me see. Let it come back down. How the trade play out? Will this trade be a break-even trade for me or not? Yeah, this trade would have been a break-even trade for me. So this right here is my break-even zone. So when I do support and resistance, right? I usually have a break-even zone. So when it goes to that zone, I just break even. because you see how this touched the break-even zone. You see my screen, right? It touched it. You see, it could have expanded higher, right? But guess what? Right when it touched my break-even zone, I have no money in the market no more, right? I have no risks on the table. Eventually the market came back, that took me out, right? So my entry model on this one would have been a clean ass model again. One more time, right here. Clean ass model to the upside. Upside right below this. Right, so you got this is already at 2RR, right? You see how it's already at 2RR? So right here can be auto 2RR. You know what I'm saying? Newer traders were people, the newer traders, right? Were already been out of the trade already. Or after 1 hour, people usually get out. Like a dumbass. But right here, this trade would have not been a TP hit, but you would have been a break-even trade because it missed the back took it out. But right here, I would have been break-even. I have no money. Yeah, bro. So now you show me the next market open, which is New York Open, and show me the recent session touches and lows and highs, and see if you can get a trade out of it. Yep. Yeah, y'all good, bro. Y'all good. We're here to learn, brother. New York. Yeah, I first mark out the London or New York Open so I know that's the real time, because I only trade New York, right? That's why I put New York first. Either, I mean, you can just go from recent session. So when you trade London, right? So what you could have done is go to you could have used the agent session, the previous agent session, right? But you first go from agent to London to New York, right? So what you could have done this is go from, so you start on London, right? You go to agent, but guess what? You go to the next New York Open, not next, like the previous or New York Open, right? The previous one, right? You could have marked that out when you trade agent session. So you always go from previous to previous, right? Just like that. Previous. Damn, what the fuck did I just say? Damn. Actually, let me show you how so let's just say you trade London, right? So let's just say someday you don't trade New York. Let's just say you just trade London, right? Let me see if I can find a trade out for that. Okay. So London, okay. London opens at what? At 3. So what I would do is I would mark out the agent and the New York Open. You know why? Because that's the previous one, right? So now go here, mark out the agent, like New York is right there, right? And New York's highest high was all the way over here, which is unrealistic for you to go for. Yep. I got you. So right on there's the high. I mean, what was the fucking low of fucking in Asian person? So the low is right over here. If you trade London, which would be right here, or if Carter trade would have been a stop hit. And what's the lowest low of Asian persuasion? Right here. High of Asian persuasion would be around this. So now you marked it out, every zone out. You marked every zone out. No, you make sure you go to 30 bits for you. When you mark out the zone, you gotta go 30 bits for you. Got out the zone. In London. I have never tested London. Not like way harder than. Yeah, London is crazy, but I don't know. Because I haven't tested out, and so I don't really know how this works in London. I only know how to. I only know how it works in New York because I only trade New York. Yeah, so market open right here. So get back out. There was no entry model. It came back down. There was no sell model. Came back down even more. Yeah, this right here, Unfortunately, there would have been no sell model or buy model. You see how the market goes back up. You never got a retest, nothing, right? See how it got retested right here. You're looking for a confirmation candle out of the zone, right? Which you never got. Came back down here, looking for confirmation, right? Right when you got the confirmation candle, right? That's not enough because you know that's previous spot. Eventually, went back up, comes back down, and it takes you out. But yeah, some days when the markets are shit, things like this happen. Yeah, I mean, so just you know, bro, when you lose, right? Always find a reason to lose, right? So you see how our market opened from right there, right? See where we started from, right? From there, go all the way to the real market time that we're on right now, right? Just backtest it. And the other thing is that you know how that green bearish candle works, right? See how that strong zone bearish zone works? Yep. Oh no, what do you call it? Confluence is basically like confirmation candle. It's like, yo, the confluence basically means like, yo, the market wants to go that way. The market wants to go down. The market wants to go up. The market wants to go this way. The market wants to go this way, right? Basically saying that, yo, the market wants to go that way. The magnetic field is going that way, right? Magnetic field is not a real thing, but I just like to say, you know, that's cool, but right? That's just to say like, yo, the market wants to. The confirmation confluence basically means that, yo, the market wants to go that way. Well, you see how this right here, there's literally no setup to take because it's a fucking contradiction. Nobody change this shit. But yeah, brother. And bullish, bearish is like this, brother. See how this right here, there's two bullish candles, right? And two bearish. That's a strong support area. And I think, did it ever get touched again? Actually, you got touched right here. See? Huh? Resistance and support. I don't, bro. To be honest, brother, I don't know what's the difference between support and resistance. They're both the same, just different. Oh shit. But you see how this candle is. Let me show you an example, right? You see how this candle, right? Respected this support, respected this resistance, and came right back down. You see, you feel me like this? Look, so you see, when I'm talking about a strong zone, I'm talking about strong zone like this. You see, bearish, bullish, right? When it came back down, it never level broke, right? Came back out. Yeah. This one. This one right here. Oh yeah. So you always wait for I saw okay. Yeah, me too. I would done, bro. That ass. I would done the same thing because what? Because I'm looking for a confluence. If I sold right here, right? If I sold right here, that's really premium. And you don't want to sell in premium. You know what a premium is, right? Premium basically means like where the market is more expensive. So where your sell stop will be more expensive for you to make. So let's just say you see, you know how in a discount spot, right? You can put your desktop, you can put your sell stop like longer, right? It doesn't cost that much pip. Right, but on this, when you put your sell stop like longer, it costs so much pip for you to take it, and it kicks you out easier. So this right here with my entry too. Yep. Yeah. So this right here would basically be a strong flip, like saying support flip to resistance, right? A strong. This still would have been a strong support area. You know what I'm saying? Still would have been a strong support. You see how it resets it came right back down. Still so strong. Yeah. This one? Yeah, this one. That right there. This one? This one? Yeah, I'm looking at it, bro. By the way, when I use this, right? When I trade this, I only use it in 5 and 30 minute. By the way, so I don't really know about the 15 minute and the rest of the time frames. The reason I use it in a 5 minute time frame is usually because when I enter at a 1 minute time frame, right? The 5 minute time frame is really reliable for me. And by the way, when I talk about these zones, right? I'm talking about the only strong zone. I'm not talking about no weak zone, right? Because you can see, if you really see, right? There's a support and resistance area every fucking 5 minute, right? So that's what I'm talking about. That you want to mark out the Pacific one, which is the bullish, green, no green, red, green thing. Yeah, I don't. Yeah, you can't. I don't think you can. Why did you mark out that? Why did you mark out that low? Right there, yeah, right there. Why did you mark out that support area? Oh yeah, cause so you're a different type of trade. Oh, so you're down to where you look a lot for conflict. Oh, so you just trade just like my friend. Okay. The way I trade the support resistance, I always go for the newest. You know what I'm saying? Brand new. I mean, yours and mine will be the same thing. You see how this right here retested this zone, came back down. It'll be the same thing as you, right? This right here tested this and came right back down. It'll be the same thing. Mm-hmm. But the reason I disagree with like no disrespect, right? The reason I disagree with your stuff, the zone you just put in, right? The reason I disagree with it, right, is because you see how he got disrespected so many times. So see how the 5 minute time frame right there. You see the 5 minute go back there, right? See how you see how he went disrespected so many times. You see how many times he went up down on it. Yeah, so that basically means now from that, how do you know which way? How do you know what to go up or down, right? That's what I'm saying. Newest. New chick, always the best chick, you know what I'm saying? But that would be for me. For me, it would just be like this right here. Because basically, let me mark out the zone you put it as well. Even where was the zone you put in? Check, I can't even see the zone you put in. Yeah, but you wanna know what I'm saying? I mean, no, shit, your shit still works though. Still good. But you see how the candles go up and down on between it? That usually right there, that it gets it got disrespected too many times. So like what I'm saying, when it gets disrespected, that usually means like this right here is not your real thing. Now it's because of this that pushes it down. You see how that zone? You see how the zone right here? You see that candle right here? You see how the zone keep on pushing it out? Disrespected it, respected it. Disrespected, respected. That's not respectable. You know what I'm saying? And how do you know he touched it? How do you know he touched it? It looks to me, it looks like he touched this zone. It looked like to me, he touched this zone, right? And then push it down. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. See how he not throwing his own. See how many times he got disrespected? He got disrespected how many times now? One. He got respected. Wait, one time. 6 times, right? So that would have been a 6 losses right there for you. 6 losses, right? So new chick, always the best chick. You know what I'm saying? I don't really know. Newest. You see how so like other way I could tell you this, right? Would you want to drive an old car or a new car? Yeah, so that's what I'm talking about. You feel me? Because one of our professor Shane, right? That is, he's a trader as well, so he trades the same way you trade, right? That way he in the thing I'm telling you, right? I learned from him, right? And he did the same thing, you know what I'm saying? He always goes for the new one. He's more as a newer one. Like how you trade the recent one, not the old one, the recent one. Yeah, he trades like 16 times. He takes like, oh, what the fuck? How many trades he took in a week? He took like last week, I think 30 trades in a week. See, I mean, he's a goat for me. He lost four and he won 26, so he made 26k. I think he risks less this week. I don't know how much he risks. But he usually takes a lot of trades, 20 to 30 trades he takes in a week. It all depends on how the week goes, you know what I'm saying? If the market is good, you know how support and resistance, right? When the market is good, you could find more trades. When the market is bad, you could, get less trades. But that is that. Yeah, but yeah, man, everything good. All you gotta do is just go back test it, brother. Yeah, bro, like all I'm trying to say that, bro, the zone guard is respected so many times, man. You know what I'm saying? No, new car always the best car. Old car is gonna die eventually. You know what I'm saying? It starts to defunction. You know what I'm saying? I could literally go mark out I could literally go mark out a random session zone and be like, yo, oh, because you flipped out because of this zone. You know what I'm saying? I could do the same thing as you. Feel me? But yeah, that's that, man. Anything else, brother? You got anything else? Any problem else you gotta ask in before you dip? Okay. So when you do that, right? When you do so when I do my support or resistance, so let's just say, right? You take this trade. You see my screen, right? So let's just say you know how you said it out. My mention would be right here, right? Let's just say you enter the trade, right? Let's just say you got like a market shifted a 1 minute time from like right there, right? You see how expensive that thing is, right? You see how expensive it is. That's what I'm talking about when it's premium. So I would never sell fucking premium over here. That's just ass. That's why you're smart and you enter right here, right? So my sell stop is usually different. So when I trade support and resistance, it could be above this zone right here, above the support, right? Or I think it's a resistance right now. So it could be above the resistance or this is resistance, right? But do you know that the support and resistance, right? They get flipped over. So this right here, the resistance is now. Yeah, you got flipped over, right? You got level broken. And make sure, bro, when you invest, right? When you're doing investing in this trade, right? Bro, just know, if you're so good at this support and resistance shit, right? Just wait until you get to the investing side of it, bro. Bro, once it level breaks in the resistance zone, right? That shit will rip so fucking hard. Let me show you, bro. Hold up. Let me show you real quick. Fucking, I love this shit. That's the one reason I love it, bro. Like, these bitches rip, bro. Like they once the level break, right, they never look back. Wait, let me show you my Bitcoin one. Like, where was it? Where was my support resistance? I took a trade all the way like right here. I made like I think 70 bands. It wasn't real money, by the way, just fake money. I was just testing it out, right? Right. So like, where was it? Where was my resistance zone? See how this right here, resistance zone right here, it got level broken and just started ripping for the next couple weeks. It just started ripping. So like, this is where you gotta know. So if you're really experienced, right, at this support and resistance, right, there's gonna be some days where support controls the whole market. Support and resistance, right, controls the whole market. So when support and resistance are under control of the market, right, market makes fast fucking moves. He makes moves that you can't even fucking catch. You make fast moves. Fucks out of money because you know why? Fast move will happen. You see how this new space right here? That's right here, control this right here, this whole zone right here. Like, look, realistically, right? I'm a smart money trader, right? To me, this zone right here, there's no concept for me to take, right? But look, as in support and resistance, there's a fucking setup to take. Look, 10 RR in this bitch. Boom, 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 boom. TP smash, you feel me? So when support and resistance are in control of the market, bro, the market moves so fucking volatile. Yeah, so then you will know what days are good, what days are bad. But do you backtest your trades, bro? Do you backtest or at all? So yeah, I got you right now, bro. Fuck it, let's go. So you see here, see that market open right there. You see that Tuesday, June 11, 24, right? From that day on, right? Mark out every New York opening, right? Just go mark out every New York opening from right now, so all the way to real market data. So from there all the way to there, just mark out every New York open right now. 8 o'clock, 8 a.m., yeah. So just mark out every New York open, you have, and make that to a 1x, not 2x. It makes you look, you still look at. You see that 2x, you see that 2px. Change it to 1. Go to the worker line, again. Like mark it down. I see that 2px, yeah, make it 1, yeah. Yeah, pixel. But like mark out, so once you mark out all of them, right? Mark out all of them. Bro, make sure you backtest every fucking day. You know what I'm saying? You know why? Backtest. So when you backtest, right? Never backtest any other pair. Although, so let's just say you backtest every day, right? So you will know that, okay, this day this happened, this happened. Although you will get bored of the fucking backtesting, right? But the backtesting is one of the key elements to becoming profitable trader. So if you don't backtest, because you know what backtesting does to you, right? It makes you know that, yo, your concept will deliver, but your setup will happen, your setup will hit take profit, right? You should, what do you call it? It makes you more fearless, more confident, less greedy. You'll be like, yo, after this support, you're gonna go, it's not gonna go no more longer, you know. So you won't go even more to my take profit, right? So now, see that from the Tuesday, from the first one you marked out all the from the back. From that on, right? Just go to the next New York Open, which is over there. So now from there, go to 30-minute time frame. So now go to 30-minute time frame and see your concept happen. So go mark out the recent session highs and lows and see, you know, what happened throughout the day. So when you backtest, right, just go back in time, right? Just go back in time and see your concept happen. So market this. So New York opened this time, and at recent session in London, he touched the recent session London highs. He went down because of this. So once you take that trade, right? Let's just say you just act like you took it, right? Like, okay, my concept delivered at me, right? So you'd be like, okay, why did I take the trade? Because of this confluence, right? Why did it hit my sell side? Why did it hit my TP? What did I do good? What did I do wrong? Just imagine you took the trade, but you didn't take the trade, right? Just imagine. Because when you imagine it, right, you'd be like, okay, so like you back to this move, you back to this whole trading, right? You back to this for like what, 2 hours, 3 hours, right? Like, okay, this shit hit my take profit. So now if I do it in real time data, you hit my take profit, you hit my sell stop, you hit my this, this will happen, this will deliver for me. Just like that. I'll backtest every fucking day, bro. I can literally go back. I backtest. The reason I backtest every single day is just because that although I get bored of backtesting, but it's just because of what do you call it? It helped me be more confident in my setup, that I know my setup will deliver, and it helped me, like, you know, market experience. You know what I'm saying? It will let you know which days are good days, which are bad days. You know, it will let you know that some days you copy this move, some days copy that other move. This day just like the other day, that day just like the other day. So this day might go be a shitty move because of how the market is moving. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know how history repeats itself, you know? History repeats itself, right? Yeah, back to that same day, So now you go to the next day. So usually when I backtest, usually every day, like for like 30 minutes, right? The reason I backtest, right? It's not because, I'm trying to become profitable. It's just that because, you know what I'm saying, I want to gain confidence in the market. I want to be like, yo, my concept will fucking deliver. You know what I'm saying? Also, like, you know how this Friday, right, I got cooked. I lost 2 trades, right? So right after that, I backed it for like 2 hours, right? I said, yo, so right when it comes to the day I lost the 2 trades, right? One of the trades were now supposed to be a loss. The other trade were a good loss, a respectable loss. Usually a respectable loss means like, yo, the market just went that way. You know what I'm saying? But the other one, the other loss I took, it should have not been a loss because it touched my break-even area and I should have broke even, and I was too slow to do that, so the market just took me out. So yeah, just like that. But make sure you always backtest every day, backtest every fucking day, you know. Because once you back it every day, right, you will know which zones are good zones. Because you will literally see, okay, this strategy does definitely work. You will know you will know this zone's the strong zone, this zone's the weak zone. I'm saying. Yeah, so you see, So go to the, so you see, go to the Friday trade right there, the Friday one. I can literally show the concept that it actually works. Let me see. Go to the Friday one, right? Mark out the New York Friday open. No, mark out the New York Friday open. Okay, so now go mark out the London open and the New York open. None of the open, I mean the Asian open. Which is at 3 o'clock and 20. 3 and 20. No, 30-minute time frame. Always 30-minute. Number 5. When you mark out the session, and you gotta before you do that, you gotta mark out the highest high, lowest low. You know what I'm saying? That's not the high, brother. The wrong high. Of the Asian. Yeah, the high is different. I see that other high right there. High. No. You see my session? You see my right? You see my screen? That's a high. And because of the support I lost, because of this fucking support I lost the trade. Because you know the support area, right? It was my break even stage and I forgot to break even and that shit just ripped. Boom. Break even means like I usually I'm a different type of trade, right? Where I have like 3 take profits, right? My first take profit is always at break even place. So when the market go there, I'm risks off the table. So no risk, there's no risk on the table, right? I just break even. TP1, I'm gonna see, okay, once he take performer, I'm gonna look at a 15-minute time frame. Once he hits the 15-minute time frame, if the 15-minute time frame close above the take profit, I'm gonna hold the next profit, right? If it goes below the take profit, I'll get a full position, right? Just like that. So now I'm gonna cut the low, and where's the low of this fucking here? Where's the high of London? Fuck, let me open the fucking right there. And what's the low of Asian persuasion? Oh, London. Right here. So now you open that, you marked it out, everything up. Okay. Now we're gonna go to the 5-minute time frame. Literally, look, sell setup. I mean, once you go to real life account, I suggest you don't go sell because it's gonna be probably be haram. Although you're not gonna affect the market. You're probably not gonna do nothing to the market, right? You're not gonna make them lose money, right? At all, right? Because you have no fucking money, right? Like, being honest to you, right? Because like, what do you mean? Huh? What should I do? Can we comment permanently? What? From I call you from DMs? Yeah, I got you. Shit, where was it? Can you hear me? I bet. Yep. So let me see your setup. Let me see your thing. So now go to the 5-minute time frame. Do you see any setup? Tell me the setup you see in this take on this trade. Just tell me all the setup you see. This day, Friday was a beautiful setup for fucking support and resistance, bro. Damn. You're looking, you see, you're zoomed out too much, bro. You can't be zoomed out too much. Be realistic to the time frame. You can be realistic. That's too zoomed out, bro. You gotta go to the real time data. Don't go too fucking far from the market. You know what I'm saying? Because the fucking market is not over here, right? The market is not moving over here, right? The market is moving over here, not over there. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be near the fucking market. You don't want to go all the way from the market because you're not gonna know where the market is going right there. You know what I'm saying? Yep. Show me the. I feel like I see one setup, two setup. I see. What's another setup? I see two setups right here happening right here. So show me two trades that you took. That you could have took it. Yeah. By the way, the low you pull, the low you draw is not the right low because that correlates with the London Open. Let's go back to 30-minute time frame and delete it. Go back to 30-minute time frame and the other one low. That's a little. The other low is right here. You see right above it because you see how that low right correlates with the what do you call it with the London Open. So you can't do that. Right here, see my screen right there. Yep, that's the low because this low correlates with the London Open and that's not respectable. But see how go to the 5-minute time frame. You see, that's what I'm talking about. Respected at the low. You see how you tested the low? That's respectable, right? See? Yeah, so that's what I'm talking about. You have to correlate. So show me two setup you could have taken on this trade. And make sure your sell stop is beautiful, bro. Your sell stop has to be good, bro. You can't put a fucking random ass sell stop. Because retailers, right? They put random ass sell stop and they get liquidated. So always make sure you have a good sell stop. Yep, so yep. From right from market open. Bro, right when market open, I see a setup. So you gotta see, let me see how your setup works out, brother. Uh-huh. 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 Yep, level broke. Yep.
Nice.
Yep, I see the retail as well. Yep. And I got stopped out right there, bro. Fuck. I got stopped out right fucking there. When you do control, right, just hold control and just drag it with the control. Ah, that's fucking high, my boy. Okay, but just show me the other trade you could have taken too. I see another trade as well. No, put it there so you can see it after. Put like that. Put like go to the one. You could go to the 1 minute chart too, right? So put the exact entry, the exact sell stop, exact everything, you know. Exact. Yep. Yep. Hey, sometimes you could put it at the beginning, sometimes you could put it at the end. You see how you test the beginning of it and game back up, right? But you wouldn't have gone and stopped out, so you should have been chilling. You said game back down. It depends on how the market reacts to it, right? I mean, you told me, bro. You don't want to take in the trade. Okay, so now I see another setup as well. So go right by market open, right? There's another setup right over there, right on market open. That's a setup. There's a setup right there. Yeah. Sell. Yeah, I see sell as well. Mm-hmm. Pass what? Okay, so huh? I mean, you mean the section you marked, right? The or the you know what I'm saying. You see, you're looking too far out. You're looking too far. Looking too far from the market, which is not good. You're a day trader. You're not a swing trader, right? You're looking at the day. You're looking at the day trade, not looking at the swing trade. You know what I'm saying? That's the level right there. That's a new all-time high? What the fuck? Oh yeah. Yeah, just for now. So now let me show you the trades I would have taken, right? So see my screen, right? So I would have literally taken a trade. So I'm a small money trader, so I would literally do my trade a little differently than yours. So this right here would have been my buy setup. I mean, it's alright, but your sell stop is unrealistic. It's too big, you know what I'm saying? I mean, it's alright. I mean, actually, you're kind of correct, but you could have put sell stop like right above this. You could have put your sell stop right above this. So you see this provide gap right there, you know what I'm saying? Because like, you know what I'm saying, I'm not trying to say you gotta be greedy in the market. Sometimes, you know, not be too greedy, but you gotta be kind of greedy. So right there, boom, I took on that trade like this. Boom, that's my support. My first entry would have been right here. It would be a really quick scalp. So right on this bullish reaction, my entry sell stop right below this, right? Cause that's a 5-minute provide gap. Take profit right here. Quick ass squawk for 2RR, right? Oh my bad. So you see this right here? This right here would have been a quick scalp. This right here. The reason I took on a trade, you see how it tests recent testing support, right? So when I test support, I'm looking for confirmation candle that he wants to go up, which would be this fair value gap. Reaction out of the fair value gap. Sell stop right below the fair value gap. And take profit right here. The start of it. Take profit, get hit. That's a 2.4 RR, right? Now, for a sell setup, the market broke pressure right back down. Give us a 5-minute auto block. Right, so now that's right here for me is like, yo, the market does want to go down, right? So this right here, and then we go right here. Let me go see my entry model. So right when it came back up, I'm looking for a breakup right back to the downside. This so it's such a premium, so I'm looking for a wait. Where did it break? Right here. So it came back down here. So when it came back up, so right here with my entry, actually my real entry. Sell stop right above this other support high, although that's, you know, it's kind of big, but you do know that you were near the market, right? You need the support, so right above this, you know, liquidity line. Because right here, this right here, and it's a money concept, right? This right here is a liquidity. What do you call it? What the fuck is it called in English? Like it's they're right there. Sell stops. Or sell stops are around right here, so my stop's gonna be right over there too as well, because it's gonna be less likely to go there, right? My break-even spot. My break-even spot would be right on this, right when I test it, right? My break-even spot gonna be right here. My take profit is gonna be right on this. Take profit is probably gonna be all the way here, because that big move should be happening, right? So a big move would have definitely happened. My take profit would have either been here or either been here, right? It depends. It all depends on how the market reacts. So it usually looks like it to be right here, because I don't want to be greedy, right? You want to go for one to take profit, right? So this right here, break-even spot. So now right when it goes below this line, I'm no longer risking no money in the market. Take profit one is right. My final take profit is right here. Take profit one is right here. So the market went below the take profit. See the 15 time frame. See how the 15 time frame closed below it. So this right here, this bearish candle right here, basically means like, yo, you want to go below it, so you just hit my take profit, right? My other entry model will be right here. You see how we tested the support area? So right when we tested it, I'm gonna take another trade to the downside. Boom, this bearish candle would be my actually this right here would be my entry model. Sell stop right above this just for buy gap and above this support area, right? Resistance area. Take profit at the end of this. So right when the market comes down here, TP hit, right? I wouldn't have any. I wouldn't on this trade. I would not have any break-even spot because this zone right here is a weak zone. It's not a strong zone. It's not a red green. It's a red green red, which is a weak zone. Which the market comes right back down, takes it out. You know what I'm saying? And right when the market goes up right over here, right? I could have had another entry to the sell side. You know, take top of position. So what I do is, right, I'm a smart money trader, right? So I basically sometimes if the market looks good for me, right, I could stack up a position for me, right? So right here, I would have stacked up another position right over here on this end of this candle. Sell stop, still same spot. Take profit, still same take profit. So this would have been a stack position, one RR and two RR. So combined 3 RR, right? Would have been a good trade for me to take. Just like that. Sell stop is always above this support area and take for a value gap. You get it? See the difference? You see the difference between? You see the difference between me and mine and yours? Yeah, I mean when I wait for the retest, right? I'll look for a confirmation candle that he wants to go down. You see how you touch the support, right? It gave me a confirmation candle out of the support, right? You see this right here with my confirmation candle, right? But if you go to the 1 minute time frame, right? When he got out of the support area, right? When he tested it back, right? There was literally like no buying model. So the market came back down, broke structure down, right? Right when broke structure down, the market just went down lower, right? Just like that. There's literally no buy model on this shit. Only sell model. And guess what? The market, if you see the daily time frame, right? We were in a daily auto block, brother. Okay? I don't really use a daily time frame, but the auto block was huge, right? So a big move should have definitely happened. I should have been more cautious, or I should have been like more smarter, right? That the market will definitely go down because look at the market, it just touched a huge accumulation area. So a huge move definitely down to the downside definitely happened. So that's what I keep in mind next time that when the move something like this, when it touches like a daily time frame, calm down, you'll go against you, probably take you out. You know what I'm saying? Everything good then? Or any other questions? Uh-huh. Yep. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. But what you gotta make sure is that you always gotta, like, you know what I'm saying, lock in Ashley for real though, you know what I'm saying? Cause like you need for only for 1 month, you know. I mean, and you're getting teached by like an advanced, like, I'm not an advanced guy, right? But you're getting teached advanced shit, you know what I'm saying? These are advanced type of support and resistance. Which fucking, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I had to pay this guy to fucking teach me this shit, so damn. They gatekeep. When people gatekeep, bro, they're broke as fuck. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie. Why wanna gatekeep, man? Just help out the people, bro. Yeah, brother. Huh? Yep. So what I gotta do for you, right? What you gotta do, right? Just backtest, right? So my test for you, right, is that you should just backtest and make videos. You know what? I should make videos. Just post it online. You know what I'm saying? Although you're not a good trader, right? Like, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I mean, you could just say that because you're not nobody's a good trader right now. I'm not a good trader, right? So just go to YouTube, go to YouTube or TikTok. Just upload all your videos. Be like every video you post, right? Be like, okay, why did I win this trade? Why did I lose this trade? Okay, just explain your trades, right? You see that, like just like that, huh? Just like I'm doing, right? Just explain all your trades you take, explain it all, you know what I'm saying? Post it. If people hate on you, you know what I'm saying? Hey, bro, haters always gonna hate. So, and I'm saying, I love haters, bro. This motivates you. It's just gonna motivate you harder, you know what I'm saying? Like, upload every trade you take, just upload, be like, yo, I took the trade. Because you know why? If you really see, the true successful people always look at their mistakes they made, so they always learn from the mistakes, so they always document their losses. So the rich people got rich because they documented their losses, right? When they, you know what I'm saying, the losses are a big part of the way for you to become rich, right? So when you learn from them losses, just gonna get you higher. Eventually you get successful, inshallah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I mean, but you're demo, so you're not a real account, so it doesn't really matter. Yeah, I mean, I had this setup too. I had this same setup. I went against it and I got cooked, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, but it is what it is. Yeah, that happened to me. Yeah, that happened to me right here. I mean, this buy right here, I told you, see my screen, right? This right here was my buy pattern, right? This buy pattern did work, but it hit my break-even spot, and I was too slow to break even, so I was like, damn. And the one wrong part of the reason I could only look for bots, right? And the other part, the wrong part of that, the con is, you know what the con of this is, right? The con of only going buys is that you don't really look at the sell side of the market, right? And that shit fucks you up so hard. Yeah, you want to see the other side. So like when you trade, right, you want to see both sides of the market. You want to see, so the reason you want to see the both sides of the market, so you can avoid manipulation. Yeah, those are fucking assholes. I hate it. Yeah, so that's why when I do this, right, I trade Asian sessions too. So if I can go, I can't go. So if I can't go sales in New York Open, I'm gonna go sales. I mean, if I can go buys, if I can't go buys on New York Open, I'm gonna go buys on fucking Asian Open. You know, feel me? I mean, usually you want to backtest, so you could backtest every, you don't have to backtest every day, right? But you want to backtest where you can gain your confidence. So I'd Saturday, see how my Saturday and Wednesday, right? I go live stream anyways because just to come backtest, you know what I'm saying? So like let's just say when I have a big problem that's happening, right? I can just go back to my live stream. Oh, okay, so because of this, so I'm gonna watch my live stream like, yo, because of this happened, right? That's how I could fix it. Document everything, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, but make sure about it. Delete those indicators. Those indicators are just gonna fuck you up your chart, but you can make it laggier. Like when I say delete it, like delete that shit. No, not that one. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, bro. When you're gonna have a disadvantage to the market. You see how those buys, you know how the indicators buys and sells, bearish and bullish, right? That can't really tell you how the fucking market's gonna move, like, because that's telling you that you know the indicator, right? It's telling you in that time frame. It's telling you that specific time frame. It's not telling you in the higher time frame. You know what I'm saying? Higher time frame, higher power. You don't feel me? So that's what I'm talking about. You all gotta know higher time frame, higher power. Go with the trend, and yeah, don't get fucked up like me. But this week I still ended on bullish week. I was up, I think 6%, and I ended the week with a 2% win. So it is what it is. Yeah, it's fucking. I took 14 trades, bro. I took 14 fucking trades. I mean, 5 of them were break even, and 6 of them were wins, and 3 of them were losses. Yeah, I mean profit. Yeah, I got. If I didn't take that Friday, if I didn't take the Friday stupid loss, I would have been a profit, bro. I would have been hella profit. Yeah, that shit, bro. Fuck my mindset. I was wondering like, yo, bro. I was saying I got mad as fuck, but damn. Yeah, brother. All right, brother. Yep. All right, brother. Ahlan wa sahlan. I'll see you later, brother. Khuda Hafiz. Yep. Peace out, brother. Khuda Hafiz. Habibtis. Yo, you motherfuckers need any help with anything, bro? That I'm gonna go pray. I gotta go pray Dhuhr, and I'm out of the fucking live stream, man. Fuck you guys, man. I'll see you guys tomorrow, man. Fuck you, pussy ass. Actually, I'm not actually set. I'm gonna stop saying the N-word, right? Sorry. I'm not gonna be racist anymore.